issues going to be on the ballot this fall?
Great question. We have at least 5 marijuana issues that are potentially out there. We have this perpetual green energy issue that comes from a Delaware corporation trying to give themselves an opportunity to have their own carve out in Ohio's Constitution. We have another potential ballot issue as it relates to ethics pay and employment as it relates to the General Assembly. You know, and you've got simultaneously the legislature working on potentially a medical marijuana proposal, which they could either pass or put it on the ballot themselves, potentially. I don't know what they intend to do, if they intend to do anything in this particular election cycle.
If they did do something...
There's a prescription drug issue as well that could be out there.
If they did do something, the lawmakers, would that remove the ballot issue, or would that go...
Well, it wouldn't remove the ballot issue. It might conflict with one of the other ballot issues, and then the rules regarding that probably would allow the one passed by the General Assembly to prevail. So we'll see what happens there. The other day, first happened. There was an effort to pass a bunch of new ethics and pay and public records laws, or a constitutional amendment, and no one bothered to show up. So we have literally, I'm chair of the ballot board, we have people that are now showing up to do constitutional amendments or constitutional amendments that are appearing before the ballot board. No one shows up to answer any questions about it at all. We have people that are showing up who can't answer any questions about the proposal because they didn't write them, and they can't answer any details about them. It's kind of an amazing thing where we're talking about amending the Ohio Constitution and no one's even showing up to testify on it.
What did you
pro
do?
or con.
What did you do in that circumstance?
Well, under those circumstances, the first meeting that we have of the ballot board is to determine whether it's one issue or not. So in one of the cases, we made it a one issue, and in one of the other cases, it seemed like it should be 3 issues. But we have to make those determinations without anyone even showing up to explain these things. And you know, I just think it's pretty sad that people think that they're going to amend the Ohio Constitution and they can't even bother to show up in a public meeting and defend it.